Buenos días, niños. Este es el self-test de la Pace de Speaking English número 3. Point. Recuerden que la palabra point significa señalar. Así que cuando yo les diga point, ustedes señalan al objeto al que yo diga. Comencemos. Point to the lid. Point to the lid. Lid. Point to the mop. Point to the mop. The mop. Point to the jar. Point to the jar. Point to the kitchen. Point to the kitchen. Point to the house. Point to the house. Point to the apartment. Point to the department. Point to number 22. Point to number 23. Point to number 24. Point to number 27. Point to number 29. And point to number 30. 30. Point to the dishes. Point to the fork. Point to the belt. Belt. Point to the spoon. The spoon. Point to the clock. Point to the clock. Point to the glasses. Point to the glasses. Point to the umbrella. Point to the umbrella. Point to the peacock. Point to the peacock. Point to the plate. Point to the plate. Point to the glove. Point to the glove. Point to the knife. Point to the knife. Point to the scarf. Point to the scarf. Very good. Muy bien. Este es el vocabulario que se tienen que aprender para su examen, aparte de las órdenes de comando.